Pumpkin crumble is like the younger sibling of pumpkin pie and just as delicious. So first you're going to need 2 cups of pumpkin puree, then add half a cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 eggs at room temperature. Next pour in 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk. Don't use condensed milk though, it'll be too sweet. And finally a pinch of salt just to bring out all the flavors. Now mix this together. I like to smash the egg yolks first with my whisk so that they get broken up. Then once it's smooth, pour into a greased 8-inch baking dish and bake at 375 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. While that bakes, make your streusel topping by combining 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour with 3/4 of a cup of rolled oats, half a cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, half a cup of chopped pecans, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and half a cup of melted butter. Then once that's all mixed together, it's important that you sprinkle it over top instead of just dumping the whole thing and spreading it out. The pumpkin filling still isn't fully cooked, so it would just sink right into the bottom. Then once you have a nice even layer spread out, return it to the oven for another 20 minutes. And pro tip, definitely serve this with vanilla ice cream or whipped cream. Let me know if you tried this at home, and click on one of these other great videos and subscribe for more amazing recipes.